The Suzuki GSX-R1000R 2025 model represents the pinnacle of Suzuki's engineering, offering cutting-edge performance, advanced technology, and sleek styling. At its heart is a 999.8cc inline-four engine with a Suzuki Racing variable valve timing system, ensuring an exceptional balance of top-end power and mid-range torque. This engine is tuned for high performance while meeting strict emission standards, delivering smooth acceleration and a thrilling riding experience. Paired with a precise 6-speed transmission and a bi-directional quick shifter, the GSX-R1000R ensures seamless gear changes without clutch input, enhancing performance and convenience on both track and road. The advanced electronics package includes a ride-by-wire throttle system and a comprehensive Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS. This system features a 10-level traction control, adjustable power modes, and a launch control system, providing riders with customizable performance settings to suit different riding styles and conditions. The Inertial Measurement Unit, IMU, enables cornering ABS, ensuring maximum braking performance and stability even during tough and loop water so bad. The lightweight twin-spar aluminum frame is optimized for rigidity and agility, contributing to the bike's exceptional handling dynamics. Showa balance-free front forks and a balance-free rear cushion shock provide superior suspension performance, allowing precise control and comfort over various terrains. The bike's Brembo monoblock calipers and large 320-tin front brake discs deliver reliable stopping power, enhancing safety and confidence during high-speed rides. Aerodynamics play a significant role in the GSX-R1000R's design, with integrated winglets in the fairings to increase downforce and improve stability at high speeds. The sharp bodywork not only enhances aesthetics but also improves airflow for better performance. LED lighting, including a modern headlight and tail light setup, ensures visibility and complements the bike's aggressive design language. The cockpit features a full-color TFT display that provides essential riding information, including speed, gear position, ride modes, and more. The ergonomic layout ensures easy access to controls, while the seat and handlebar positions are designed for a perfect balance between comfort and a sporty riding stance. With its lightweight construction, advanced features, and a perfect blend of power and control, the Suzuki GSX-R1000R 2025 is built to dominate the track while being versatile enough for the street. It's a testament to Suzuki's dedication to delivering unmatched performance for motorcycling enthusiasts.